it was like watching someone juggle chainsaws. That's what a good friend of mine said about that last video, and I don't disagree. This is the knife I was using. Once a very nice knife, but has unfortunately been a bit damaged and not sharp at all. Anyway, he's crazy and way too generous and has bought me this. So, I'm actually very excited because I've never owned one. It's a Leatherman, and it's going to revolutionize my unboxing videos. So I'm not actually sure how much I'm going to need the a knife for, but we will see. Ooh. Comes in a pretty fancy looking box. Looks about as easy to open as the last package I had. Yes. Alright, I'm going to have to rip it. Wow. Already looking a lot fancier than I expected. Skeletool CX. It's meant to be a very cool model. So I am going to slice this, or try to. Oh, there you go. It's useful for something. It's like unboxing an Apple product. Oh, wow. It's a bit hard to read through the camera, so I'll have a look at that in a sec. Ooh. Wow, this is amazing. I have no idea what I'm doing with it yet. It's got a really nice feel to it. I don't want to stab myself while I'm filming it, but there is meant to be a very sharp knife in here somewhere. Well, I'm going to definitely have to read the manual because I have no idea what I'm doing, but this is a very nice looking piece of kit, and I don't know how to put the knife away. That is okay. I will leave it like that so I don't stab myself, and I will read the manual. Anyway, very quick unboxing. It also comes with a little pouch, which is perfect. I like the yellow. So it is beautiful. It actually matches the red PCB of that last video very nicely. So this would have been much better to open it at the with. So that is the unboxing. I will do another video, I'm sure, once I actually know what I am doing. Thanks very much. So quickly before I go, I've worked out how to put the knife away. So you just slide this in a little bit here, and then it folds in really easily. So really easy to get out, and actually really easy to put back in. How cool is that? Looking forward to using it.